Good morning to you, dear students. Welcome back to Maths class. In our previous class, we have already studied about angle, its definition, and also naming an angle. So let us continue. In today's class, we will be learning about how to measure an angle under the topic measurement of an angle. Let us know some important words to be discussed in today's topic. Children, please repeat after me. The first one, degree. Say degree. Second one, protractor. Protractor. Third one, outer scale. Outer scale. Fourth one, inner scale. Fifth, baseline. Baseline. And the last one, center. Center. You must also be thorough with the spellings of these words. Pause the video and read these words aloud with their spellings. Let us begin with the first topic, degree. D-E-G-R-E-E, degree. Degree is the unit used to represent the measure of an angle. Dear students, just like your weight is measured in terms of kgs, the quantity of liquid items is measured in terms of liters. In the same way, the measure of an angle is measured with degree. The unit used to measure the angle is degree. The unit used to measure our weight is kg, right? Kilograms. Likewise, the unit used to represent the measure of an angle is degree. No need to by heart the definition. You just have to understand it. What is a degree? It is the unit used to represent the measure of an angle, and it is denoted using the symbol degree. This is called degree. Just like in addition, we use plus symbol for addition, right? For subtraction, minus. For multiplication, into mark, right? Likewise, the degree is denoted using the symbol this, degree. What we call it is pronounced degree. For example, if the measure of an angle is 90 degree, then we write it as 90 degree, 50 degree, 42 degree, 13 degree, and so on. Is it clear? Yes, dear students, can you identify which instrument is this? You can find it in your geometry box, right? So what we call for this? Yes, it is a protractor. Our next topic is protractor. What is a protractor? Yes, protractor is a mathematical instrument used to measure an angle. Degree is a unit to measure. Protractor is an instrument used to measure an angle. We use a protractor to measure angles. Let us first observe the protractor and understand how to measure angles. The protractor has markings from 0 to 180 from the left to right. Can you see here? The protractor has the markings from 0, the upper line, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on up to 180, right? From left to right. The distance between the 0 and 180 is divided into 180 small divisions. From 0 to 180, can you see their small lines? So these each single line is called as degree, is called as 1 degree. Okay, each single division is called as degree. So we can measure angles from 0 degree to 180 degree using the protractor. The horizontal line is nothing but the sleeping line, right? The horizontal line, can you see here, from 0 to the right side 180 degree. So the horizontal line on the protractor joining 0 degree and 180 degree is called a baseline, is called as the baseline. This line is called as baseline. The horizontal line, the sleeping line, which is joining from the left side to the right side, that is from 0 degree to 180 degree, is called as baseline. And the midpoint, can you see the midpoint here? The midpoint of the baseline is called as the center. We call it as center. The outer scale, can you see the two scales are here? Scales is nothing but the readings, outer scale and inner scale. The outer scale has 0 degree to 180 degree marked in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means the right side, left to right. How the hands of a clock move? From 1 to 2, then to 3, that is right in the right direction. It doesn't move from 1 to 12. Does it move? No. It moves from 12 to 1, then 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, and so on. That means it moves in the clockwise direction. So here you can see 0, 10, 20, it is moving in the right direction, right, up to 180 degree. This is outer scale. Okay, and the inner scale, can you see the inner scale? It begins from the right side and ends towards the left side. 0, then 10, then 20, it is moving towards left side and ends at 180 degree. So the readings which moves in the anti-clockwise, it is inner scale. I hope these concepts are clear to you. One is degree, protractor, the horizontal line is the baseline, and the center is, the middle of the baseline is the center. The outer readings are the outer scale which moves in clockwise direction, and the inner scale moves in anti-clockwise direction. Both the scales reads from 0 degree to 180 degree. Okay, then let us see how to measure an angle using this protractor. Let us consider an angle A, B, C. In our previous videos, we have already seen how to name an angle. What is the name of this angle? Angle A, B, C. This initial point should come in the middle, see, B. Or you can also write it as angle CBA, CBA. But the condition is this B should always be at the center, as it is the initial point, or it is a common point, which it is the common point for both the rays, right? So when both rays meet at one common point, an angle is formed here. Shall we measure this angle using the protractor? The first step is place the protractor on the given angle such that its center, can you see the center here? Can you see the center? So this is the center, okay? Place the protractor such that the center is placed on the initial point, or the place the protractor on the given angle such that its center lies on its vertex or the common point. Then Observe where the arm BA points to 0. Where does it points? This side or this side? Can you see the arrow mark here? Which side is this? Right side, right? Yes. So begin from inner scale now. Always begin from 0 degree. The angle does not start directly from 180 degree. Start from 0 degree. Okay. Then let us measure. Can you see here? 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40. Exactly at 40 degree, this final ray is coinciding exactly at 40 degree. So the measure of angle ABC RCBA is 40 degree. How much? 40 degree. You can write here as 40 degree. I hope you have understood this. So, dear children, here is one more example. Let me name this angle as MNO. So, the angle name is angle MNO, or we can also name it as angle ONM. Remember, the N should be in the middle. Okay. Shall we measure this? Take the protractor. What is the first step? Place the center of the protractor on the vertex or the common initial point. Can you see? Yes. And see the initial ray. Where is the initial ray? Yes, the initial ray or the base line is pointing towards the right direction. So start checking the start measuring the angle from 0, from the inner scale. Okay, 0, 10, 20. Just see where does this final ray coincides. Just see where this final ray coincides. Can you see here? You should look at the inner scale. Okay, 0, 10, 20 and so on. It is coinciding at, can you see, 120. It is coinciding at 120. So the measure of an angle is 120 degree. Okay, you can also represent it here. The measure of this angle is 120 degree. So that's all in today's class. We will be learning about types of angles in the next class. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.